Scars tell stories. They are silent narrators of our past, etched into our skin and soul. They whisper of battles fought and victories won, of moments when we stood our ground and faced our fears. Our scars, whether physical or emotional, are a testament to our resilience and strength. They are the badges we wear, often hidden but always present. They are not markers of our worth, but emblems of our survival. Each scar is a chapter in our personal story, a chapter that speaks of endurance and courage. We live in a world that glorifies perfection, making us feel inadequate when we fall short. Society often overlooks the beauty in our imperfections, but our scars are proof that we have lived, loved, lost, and risen again, stronger and wiser. They are the evidence of our journey, the map of our experiences. Let us shift our perspective from viewing scars as imperfections to recognizing them as symbols of our strength. Let us embrace them as part of our unique story, because within each scar lies a story of survival and a beacon of hope for the future. They remind us that we are capable of overcoming, of healing, and of moving forward with hope and resilience. The journey of healing from our scars is not always easy. It is a path that requires immense courage and determination. It's a path often paved with pain and vulnerability. Each step forward can feel like a monumental effort, but it is a necessary part of the process. There will be days when the weight of our experiences feels heavy, almost unbearable. These are the moments that test our resolve and our will to keep moving forward. But it's in these moments of vulnerability that true strength is forged. It is through facing our deepest fears and insecurities that we discover our inner resilience. When we allow ourselves to be vulnerable, we open ourselves up to the possibility of healing and growth. Vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, but a gateway to profound personal transformation. Each scar, a testament to a battle fought, becomes a stepping stone on our journey towards healing. These scars, whether physical or emotional, are symbols of our resilience and our ability to overcome adversity. Resilience is not about avoiding pain, but about acknowledging it and choosing to rise above. It is about finding the strength within ourselves to face challenges head-on and emerge stronger on the other side. We all carry scars, some visible, some hidden deep within. These scars are part of our story, a testament to the battles we have fought and the resilience we have shown. In sharing our stories and supporting one another, we find the strength to heal and rise together. By connecting with others who have faced similar struggles, we create a community of resilience and hope, where healing becomes a collective journey. Our scars tell a story, but it's up to us to choose how that story defines us. We can choose to see our scars as sources of shame or as symbols of our strength and capacity for healing. The power to redefine our scars lies within us. Instead of viewing our scars as marks of imperfection, we can see them as beautiful reminders of our growth. You have the power to choose how you perceive your scars and how you allow them to shape your future. We live in a world obsessed with perfection, but true beauty lies in the embrace of imperfection. Our scars, wrinkles, and laugh lines are the marks of a life well lived. The Japanese practice of Kintsugi celebrates the beauty of imperfection by highlighting cracks with gold. Our scars, like the cracks in pottery, add depth and unique beauty to our being. True beauty lies in embracing our individuality, scars and all. Your scars are reminders of your strength and the unique beauty within your imperfections. Our scars tell a story of resilience and the incredible capacity of the human spirit to overcome adversity. Each scar represents a challenge faced and a victory won. These scars are chapters in our life story, adding depth and meaning. By sharing our stories, we inspire others to embrace their own journeys. Embrace your narrative, scars and all, and share your story with the world. In your vulnerability lies your strength, and in your authenticity, you will find your voice. Our worthiness is not determined by the absence of scars, but by our inherent value as human beings. Each scar tells a story, a testament to our resilience and the battles we've faced. They are not marks of shame, but badges of honor, showcasing our journey and the strength we've mustered to keep moving forward. We are worthy of love, belonging, and joy, not because of our accomplishments or appearance, but because of our inherent worthiness. Our value is intrinsic, not something that can be earned or lost. It is a fundamental part of who we are, woven into the very fabric of our being. Our scars do not diminish our worth. Instead, they highlight our capacity to heal, to grow, and to transform pain into power. They are symbols of our journey, each one a chapter in the story of our lives. They are simply a part of our journey, reminders of our strength. Every scar is a testament to our survival, a proof that we have faced adversity and emerged stronger. They are not flaws but features of our unique story. Our worthiness is not contingent upon perfection or the absence of pain. It is found in our ability to embrace our imperfections, to find beauty in our struggles, and to recognize the strength that lies within us. You are worthy, not because of what you've achieved or overcome, but because you are you. Your worth is inherent, unchanging, and undeniable. It is not something that can be taken away or diminished by external circumstances. Embrace your story, celebrate your strength, and never let anyone tell you otherwise. Your journey, with all its highs and lows, is a testament to your resilience and your unyielding spirit. You are inherently worthy, simply by virtue of being human. Your value is not measured by your scars, but by the courage it took to earn them. Stand tall, embrace your story, and let your light shine.